So apparently, Affinity recently pulled a move nobody saw coming. They merged everything, design, photo, publisher, into one single app, and they made it completely free. Yeah, free. At first, I thought it was one of those limited trial things, but no. You can literally download it right now and use the full suite. No payment, no license keys. But there's something interesting hiding behind that word, free. We'll get to that. Affinity themselves actually addressed this in a video. Cameron Adams, Canva's co-founder and chief product officer, said, and I'm quoting, "There is no catch. They are not selling your data, not training AI on your files, not hiding any fees. Your work stays yours." And that's actually bold. So why make it free? According to them, it's about access. They believe professional design tools shouldn't be locked behind heavy price tags. And because Canva now owns Affinity, they said they can afford to make it free, using Canva's larger business revenue model to support its long term. So what it means is that basically when more pros use Affinity, more businesses end up using Canva. So Canva wins on the enterprise side, while creators get a free, powerful tool. Now that's refreshing to hear in 2025, right? But still, it is worth thinking about what's really going on here. But here's what I actually think about this. They said it's not a marketing stunt. Instead, it's more like a long-term bet on creative freedom. And that's actually interesting. They are betting that their generosity will drive growth instead of gatekeeping it. And honestly, it's a smart ecosystem move. Both sides benefit. To use Affinity, you will need to sign in with a free Affinity account. That automatically opts you into marketing emails and some AI research settings. It's nothing too crazy. However, make sure you turn off whatever you don't want to track. Because let's be honest, free in the software world almost always comes with fine print. We've experienced many of them in the past. That said, they've been transparent about data and ownership so far. So if they can keep it that way, it's a win-win for everyone. So yeah, this new Affinity is wow, the professional suite, free, unified, and integrated with Canva's AI ecosystem. Whether that's good or bad depends on how you see it. For me, it's exciting, and very importantly, it's a reminder that the design world is shifting fast. Think about it. And this right here might be Canva's boldest move yet. So what do you think? Is this a win for designers, or Canva is just setting up for a bigger play? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're trying it out, let me know what you've done so far and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I've been David Femi. See you on the next one.